Hi, I'm Robbie and I want to welcome you to your college's online library. You are viewing this tutorial as a component in a class assignment. All of the faculty and staff at the college hope your use of the resources available in the online library helps you in your research and enriches your experience as a college student. One important service of the Roane State Library is the online catalog. The online catalog maintains a record of each resource in the library's collection. The interface between you and all of those records is the online catalog query engine. The records are stored in a database. A query engine in a database provides you with a user-friendly and efficient way to find what you need for your research project. This demonstration begins on the library homepage. Guests who wish to explore the holdings in the college library may use the keyword search option found here. We are going to start our research by launching the online library catalog service. This is done by pointing to the Find option on the library's main menu. When the drop-down menu appears, the first option, Books, AV, and Other Library Items, is selected. If you are using this service from an off-campus location, you will be required to enter your college username and password. When the login steps are completed, the interface between you and the online catalog appears. From here you can search for publications stored on the library shelves as well as ebooks and other online publications. Your search can take place in your college library and in college libraries across the state. So if you can't find a publication here, you can use the Interloan Library Service and obtain the needed resource from other Tennessee Board of Regents colleges. In this demonstration, we're going to go fishing for information on race relations and civil rights. But before we do that, let's take a look at the components on the query page. On the left, you see a filter selection list box displaying the option Keyword. When the keyword option is used, your library's query engine will compare every word in each record maintained on the library collection to the word, phrase, or name you type into the search box. Clicking on the list arrow displays other options for narrowing your research. You also see title, author, and subject, which are common headings found in a book's record. When you use the title filter, the query looks only under the title heading in the record. Using the author filter will contain the search to the records under the author heading. Using the subject filter will limit the search to the content under the record's subject heading. We are going to leave the filter on keyword, which will provide the broadest search. On the right of the search box, you see the college's filter list box. Clicking on the college list arrow displays the state colleges that allow you to view the listings in their library collection. We will keep the filter on the current college. Finally, we come to the search box. In this demonstration, let's use the word race and trigger the search by clicking on the Submit button. In a matter of seconds, the query engine searches over 50,000 records and displays the list by order of relevance, with the most likely resources listed first. This list is long, over 3,000 entries. There are several features that allow you to navigate through the list. You have a Next button, and you can also scroll down the list. Obviously, the list is too long, and it would be helpful to narrow down the selection. Thinking in advance about a research project is very important. Violence was prevalent in the desegregation movement, and you want to know a little more about race problems in the 60s. You heard that some bad things happened near Selma, Alabama, and you want to learn more about what happened. To refine your search, we go to the Advanced Search option under the More Searches list box found on the right of the search page. Click on the list arrow, and among the options is the Advanced Keyword Filter. When the Advanced Keyword Search filter is selected and the Go link is pressed, the Advanced Keyword Search page is displayed. There are many options on this page, but we're only going to see how the Enter Search Terms feature works. When the first blank text box is selected, we enter Selma. Clicking on the second search box, we enter Alabama. Finally, clicking on the third search field, Race, is entered and the Submit button pressed. Instead of 3,000 hits, we notice the list now contains less than a dozen entries. In this listing, you can easily see an ebook, a book found in the library stacks, and an online video. Scrolling down the page displays the other relevant hits. Clicking on the title of each entry displays the record of that entry. Reading the record's content and summary will tell you a lot about the resource. Looking at the subject heading can be informative and provide you with additional search terms and subject matter. The electronic book can be checked out and read online by clicking on the Click to access the electronic book link. Clicking on the Return to Browse will take you back to your search list. Clicking on the title of a book displays similar information. Notice the content, summary, and subject headings and the information found there. Returning to the book list, we can explore the movie link. Clicking on its title provides you with a summary and subject category as well, and information related to the movie's production. We can see that this movie is a streaming video, and by clicking on the college link, it can be viewed. This concludes our introduction to the library's search feature. Clicking on the library banner returns you to the library homepage. If you have any questions, let your librarian or your teacher know. They can help guide you to an answer.